Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Sam and today I am showing you 3 super fast, easy hairstyles on Lillian. And these are styles that are really easy to progress throughout the week. So we might start with one style and then as the week moves on, it's easy to do the other styles without having to spend too much time on her hair. So as always, I'm starting with water and leave-in conditioner. So now I'm going to divide her hair into 2 sections and I'm starting this part slightly off center and I'm going to go back across her head at a slight diagonal angle to finish at the back of her head on the other side. And as you can see, getting a straight part is one of the more time consuming parts of doing her hair. So any style that I can do that has one part or only a couple parts is going to be faster. And I just added some Curls brand edge control paste and I'm going to brush it into a ponytail and secure it with a black elastic. And this is one that does not have a metal piece to it, so it won't tear at her hair. And I'm just going to do the exact same thing to the other side. This style is going to be 2 pigtails, but with a part on the side of her head. My reason for this part on the side of her head is because it's so much easier to get a straight part that doesn't have to be perfect and nobody can tell than if I were to do it straight back in the middle of her head. And I just added some As I Am curling jelly, scrunched a little bit, and now I've added some bows to her hair. And that style literally took 5 minutes and we would have been out the door. But I'm gonna show you how I can switch it up for the next day. So you can remove the bows and then just twist those pigtails into little buns, secure them with another elastic and either leave it like that or add some more bows. And now you've got an even faster, like 2-minute style for the next day. I'm going to link up above our nighttime routine throughout the week so that I can keep her hair intact but also healthy and with minimal tension. So now I'm going to show you the 3rd super fast hairstyle and I'm splitting each pigtail in half and I'm going to rope twist or 2-strand twist these sections. And to do this properly, you always want to start with detangled hair, so I'm just running my brush through it to make sure that there are no tangles. And then now I'm going to twist the 2 sections of hair. I twist them towards the right, each section, and then as I'm twisting them towards the right, I wrap them around the left. That's how I get that rope look. I'm going to show you again how I do it a little bit slower. So you can see there's like a little twist towards the right with each of those strands and then wrap them around towards the left in order to achieve this look. And then I'm just securing at the end with the rubber band. And this takes a couple extra minutes than say the pigtails or the bun, but because I already have that part created, it's easy and fast still for a morning hairstyle. Lillian absolutely loves having barrettes in her hair, and the normal way to secure a barrette at the end is to just wrap the hair around the barrette and then close it. However, I find that actually tucking the plastic piece of the barrette through the rubber band like I'm doing here and then wrapping it around, I get a much more secure hold that lasts all day. And now I'm just adding these bows. I got all the barrettes and bows on Amazon, super cheap. I'm gonna link them below. So this is our 3rd super fast, cute hairstyle. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and most importantly, tell me what you guys think of these styles. If they work for you, if they don't, if you have any questions, anything like that. I love to hear from you guys. See you next time.